He is deeply in love with me in the most beautiful way. Our connection is full of love, respect, and trust. He truly values me and cherishes our bond. He feels peace and happiness when he is with me. His love for me grows naturally every day. He loves me for who I truly am. Our love flows effortlessly and beautifully. He enjoys spending time with me. He always treats me with kindness and care. He expresses his feelings openly and lovingly. He feels emotionally safe with me. He supports my dreams and goals. He admires my strength and confidence. He communicates with honesty and love. He feels a deep emotional bond with me. Our relationship is balanced and nurturing. He enjoys every moment we share together. He finds comfort and warmth in my presence. He trusts me completely. He chooses me with love every single day. He feels calm and happy around me. He enjoys showing affection to me. He treats me as his equal partner. Our love brings peace and joy into both our lives. He appreciates me deeply. He shows his love through gentle actions and words. He loves to make me smile. He values our relationship more every day. He feels grateful to have me in his life. Our love continues to grow stronger with time. He respects my boundaries and emotions. We both inspire each other to become better. He enjoys listening to me and understanding me. He feels proud to be with me. He always treats me with loyalty and devotion. He finds peace in our connection. He loves my energy and my heart. He feels complete and content in our relationship. He expresses love in healthy and thoughtful ways. Our love is mutual, deep, and everlasting. He feels deeply connected to me in every way. He always looks forward to seeing me. His love brings me comfort and happiness. He naturally feels drawn to my positive energy. He sees me as his perfect match. He always treats me with gentleness and respect. Our relationship is filled with laughter and love. He loves sharing his life with me. He truly values my presence and my heart. He is deeply, lovingly, and genuinely